I'm getting the beehives ready for springtime. That's right, I've got a load of bees coming this spring at the end of April. Hopefully that's not too early for the frost to be gone. And I need to get this hive ready to go, which means that I need to waterproof it because, yeah, water happens outside. It's a thing. So here I'm actually using something called tung oil. This is what I'm using right here. Pure tung oil. And this stuff is apparently all natural, even though it smells like complete fucking polyurethane or something and stinks to high heavens. But apparently it's all natural and it's safe for the bees and et cetera, et cetera. You just have to make sure that you apply about 4 coats of this shit and make sure that it has a chance to completely cure and harden and do its fucking thing. But it really does work. I put a little bit of it on last year when I was trying to catch some bees in a swarm trap, and it repelled the water. So I would highly recommend tung oil. It's not the cheapest shit on earth. I think I paid about $20 for that quart, but you know, it's not bad. I mean, a little bit goes a long way, even though you have to apply so much of it. But, you know, one step at a time, you got to take care of these things and they'll take care of you, right? I mean, this is going to last me for so many years if I just put in a little bit of effort and make sure that it's nice and sealed. And then my bees will be a lot happier because it won't let any fucking water in. They don't like that shit because the water gets on the bees and then it freezes and then the bees die, etc., etc. They don't like water in the hive. It's just not a good thing. So I'm making sure that I can do everything for my bees that I can this year to make them stick around because I want to eventually start an apiary. And this is where it starts, guys. Waterproofing, baby, waterproof.